What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sui Sue, about to do this hairdo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I am back with another updo, but this time on some silky smooth hair. I just absolutely love this hairstyle for summer, and I'm actually on my way out the door. I'm actually going out and I'm gonna wear this. So make sure you follow me on the vlog, and for all the love that you guys are showing me on my vlog, I am so grateful. Okay, so today's hair is by Nadula, and as you guys know, I have worked with this company several times, too many times for me to even count. Okay, so this is their 13x4, and unlike some 13x4, this 13x4 fits perfectly air to air. This is the perfect fit. It does not need to be glued down fully, as you will see in the video. All I did was stick down the sides. It had some tape on it, so I decided to utilize that and just stick down the sides, mold the rest with some moves. That's it. Okay, this is one of those pre-everything wigs, so it did come pre-cut. It is pre-bleached. It lays absolutely beautiful. It is 24 inches and it is a Brazilian unit, okay? It also came pre-curled, but I did go in and bump up the curl some more. I really like this. I think it's just super cute, super fun, and it's definitely beginner friendly because all you gotta do is put it on your head and, you know, it's good to go. And style it, all right? You guys better learn how to style your hair, okay? Because I see the horror stories on TikTok and of you guys going to the beauty salon or these homemade beauty salons to get your hair done, and you need to learn to do your own hair. Okay, that's what I'm here for. All right, practice makes perfect, and I'm still learning every single day too, so it's okay, we can do it together. The hair is stunning, it's beautiful, it's shiny, it's tangle free, as you can tell. She's really beautiful, and I really love how she fit ear to ear. I did absolutely no cutting on this, none whatsoever. Like, it's just, listen, all the information is gonna pop up right here as usual for anything that I did forget. Y'all already know if it's not good hair, it doesn't make it on hair, and I absolutely I love it. Like, it's full, it's fluffy, it's airy, stunning, 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 stunning. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Okay, so make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Without further ado, let's get right on into this quick but very easy way to apply and style this hair.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving fast, so you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my, I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wipe your hair and spin bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
Yeah, so that's basically it. That's all I did. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna be going through the door, so I'm gonna be wearing this out, and I'm hoping and praying that these tapes work because Japan is actually really, really warm right now. So yeah, but the hair is beautiful. Okay, and I'm in love with the bow. They sent this bow to me. They sent 2 little small bows as well, but I prefer to go with this one. Super cute, very nice material. I just love it. I absolutely love it. It is top tier. I am here for it. You guys are going to be seeing me wear this unit several times because I'm in love with the way it lays. Like everything about it is just perfect. The plucking job, 10 out of 10. The hair, 10 out of 10. The bow, 10 out of 10. 13 by 4 cut, 10 out of 10. The everything, 10 out of 10. Like, it's stunning. Anyways, make sure you check out Nadula Hair. Everything will be linked down below. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Stay tuned for the vlogs because they're coming on Sunday. And yeah, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon.